Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful ways to tie your hair. So first, rotate it like this from the right side. Now again, fold it and tie the rubber band and fix it using the bun pin, and your bun is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now again, divide the hairs and fix them on the alternative sides like this. Make the plaits on the right side and fold it and fix it, and then put the bun clips and it's ready. Next, take this clip and fix it on the hairs. Now take small section of the hairs and fix it in the space one by one like this so that it looks like the plaited hairs. So you can use this fixing the clips and make the plaits. Now tie all the hairs together and fix it at the end, and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and then pull the hairs. Now fix it by rotating the hairs like this on the upward section and fix it using this clip. Now put it on the sides and then your hairstyle will be ready. Next, fix this hair clip on the hairs on the back. Now take small section of the hairs, roll it and fix it on the alternative sides like this. Now tie the hairs, dividing it into two parts, make the plaits and fold it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then fold it upward and fix this bun clip on the hairs. Now roll it down and fix it. Tie the hairs on the top and then fold it and fix it like this. Put the hair clip and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs first, make a high ponytail. Now take this tool or the amazing accessory, you can get these in the markets. Now roll the hairs and then fold it upward like this and fix it on the hairs to make the bun, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs first, make a high ponytail. Now take this bun making tool and fix it on the hairs. Now roll the hairs upward and fix it by folding it from the sides. Put this bun clip on the hairs and your bun is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Now divide the hairs into three parts and fix it inside the clips one by one. Now at the top we will tie all the hairs and then roll it down and fix it by folding it like this, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now take this hair clutch. First rotate the hairs and fix it on the hairs like this. After that, tie it from the bottom and fold it and fix it using the hair clutches, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.